In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and import contacts in Monday.com. We'll start on the home page so you can see the full navigation. From there, open the Workspaces panel on the left and choose the workspace where you want your contact list to live. Keeping contacts in the right workspace helps teammates find and maintain them without creating duplicate boards. To create the board, click the plus icon to add something new, then hover over board. Instead of starting from scratch, select Start with Template. This opens the Template Center. Head to the General Template area, then use the search bar and type Contacts. Click the Contacts template and choose Use Template. In a moment, Monday.com generates a ready-to-go contacts board with helpful columns you can customize. With your board open, look to the top right and click the three-dot menu, then go to More Actions and select Import Contacts. You can browse your computer or simply drag and drop a file into the importer. A quick tip before you upload: a clean CSV or Excel file works best. Make sure your first row has clear headers like name, title, company, email, phone, and type. Remove any stray columns you don't need and double check for typos so the columns match smoothly later. During the import, Monday.com will prompt you to match your file's columns to the board's columns. Review each mapping carefully. For example, map your job title column to the title field and organization to company. If your file includes a field that doesn't exist on the board, you can create or change a column type to fit, such as text, email, phone, or status. Using an email column as a consistent identifier makes it easier to spot duplicates after import. After the upload finishes, your contacts appear instantly as items on the board. Now it's time to tidy and enrich the data. Click any cell to edit it in line. Update the title to reflect each person's role, confirm their company, and set the type field to categorize them, such as customer, prospect, or vendor. If your template uses a status style column for type, choose the label that best fits, and feel free to rename labels to match your process. As you review, sort or filter the board to group similar contacts and fix anything that looks off. The more consistent your fields are, the easier it is to search, report, and collaborate. And that's it. Your contacts are now organized, imported, and ready to manage in Monday.com.